Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 11 G of chapter number 7, exercise 7G of chapter number 7. Now I shall start from 7H of chapter number 7. So see the first question. Exercise 7H. Number 1. Okay. So what? Sunny cuts of 1 by 3 by 8 of a paper strip. What portion of the strip is what? What portion of the strip is what? Left. Okay. So what? So first you write given portion of the paper strip cut. Given portion of the paper strip cuts of equals to what? 3 by 8. Given portion of the paper strip cut off equals to what? 3 by 8. Let the whole portion of the paper strip equals to what? 1. How it is 1? Because what? The paper strip is cut off what? Out of 3. What? 8 is out of 8, 3 cut off. That means what? The whole was what? 8 by 8. The whole is what? 8 by 8. Because 8 by 8, that means what? 8 I can cancel. I can write what? 1. So actually the what? Whole part was actually what? 1. So I let it what? As 1. Okay. So now write portion of the paper strip left will be what? 1 minus 3 by 8. 8. Okay. Then 8 ones are 8. So what? 8 into 1 minus what? 1 into what? 1 into 3. 1 into 3. 8 divided by 8 is what? 1 into 3. So these things we have done earlier in the chapters many times. Here I am writing directly. Okay. So what? So what? 8 ones are 8, and here 1 into 3 it is what? 3. So 8 minus 3 is what? 5. 5 by 8. So answer is what? Required fraction is what? 5 by 8. The required fraction is what? 5 by 8. So this is the solution of question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Molly and Barun each ate 5 by 12 parts of a cake. That means what? Molly also ate what? 5 by 12 part of a what? Cake. And Barun also ate what? 5 by 12 of a cake. What portion of the cake was left? Now I need to find what portion of the cake was left. So first of all what? First of all we will find what portion of the cake was eaten by Molly and Barun at a time. So I shall what? Add them. So write. Then from the total, if I subtract the portion of the cake ate by Molly and Barun, then I shall get the what left portion. Okay. So write. So write number 2. Given parts of the write portion of the cake. Portion of the cake cake 8 by Molly. So portion of the cake 8 by what? Molly goes to what? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Alright, and portion of the cake 8 by Barun. Barun will be what? 5 by 12. Right. Therefore, portion of the cake 8 by Molly and Barun. Molly and Barun will be what? This one 5 by 12 plus 5 by 12, because both of them what? 8, same, each 8 what? Same portion. So if I add them, then I shall get what? Both of them how much eaten. So 12 LCM, so I can directly write what? 12 as LCM, and if the denominators are same, so I can add directly the numerators. So this is what? 10 by 12. So what we got? What? 10 by 12 is the what? Required fraction that was eaten by what? Molly and Barun both ate. Okay. Now what? Now write. Let the whole portion of the cake. Let the whole portion of the cake be what? 1. Therefore write portion of the cake was left. Therefore portion of the cake was left equals to what? 1 minus this fraction. 1 minus 10 by 12. 1 minus 10 by 12. So it will be what? 1 minus 10 by 12. Okay. So if I take LCM, then 12 will be LCM, because here 1. So 1 and 12 LCM will be 12. So 1 12 are 12. So you write 12 into 1 here, minus here will be 12 into what? 1 minus 12 divided by 12, it is 1 into 10. Okay, 1 into what? 10. Okay, now you get the result. So here I am writing okay. Okay, after that, so it will be what? 12 1 are 12 minus 10 1 are 10 by 12. Okay, so it is what? 12 minus 10, it is what? 2 by 12. 2 by 12 I can cancel. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. So answer is what? 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is the what? Required answer. 1 by 6. So from here you go to here. Okay, 1 by 6 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number 3. After spending 72 whole 1 by 2, Ruby was left with rupees 7 whole 3 by 4. How much did she have in beginning? Okay, so what? After spending 72 72 whole and a half, and Ruby was left with rupees 7 whole 3 by 4, how much did she have in the beginning? So that is what? If I add what amount she what spent and what amount left, so I'll get the what? Total money. Suppose for an example, let me take, suppose I have what? 8 rupees. Suppose what? I have spent 8 rupees. Okay, now in my hand, after spending 8 rupees, in my hand remain 3 rupees. Okay, so actually I have how many rupees? Actually I have what? 11 rupees. How? 8 plus 3 what? It is 11. Because what? From 11 I have what? From 11 I have spent what? 8 rupees. Now left with me it is what? 3 rupees. So actually what? So what? So if I add these two, say, so what? I'll get the what? The total one. So in this case also, if I add the money whatever she spent and the money whatever left with her, then I shall get the what total money what was with her. Okay, so let us add these two fractions. So write, so question number 3. So write, given money spent by Ruby, question number 3. Right, money spent by Ruby equals to money spent by Ruby. Money spent by Ruby equals to rupees how much? Money spent by Ruby equals to rupees 72 1 by 2. Now write, money left with Ruby equals to how much? Rupees 7 3 by 4. Okay, now what, how much money did she have in the beginning? Right, total money she have in the beginning, in the what, in the beginning will be what, the sum of these two. Okay, so right here I have no space, I'm writing here what, rupees 72 1 by 2 plus rupees what, 7 3 by 4. Now what, now you just break them. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are what, 14, 142 plus 1 143. So what, 2 2s are 72 into 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 7 2s are 14. So what, 144. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 144 plus 1, it is what, 145. So it will be what, 145 by 2 plus 7 4 are 28, 28 29 30 31, 31 by 4. So now what, you take LCM. So if you take LCM, 4 will be LCM. Why? Because 2 and 4 divisible, so I can write what, the bigger one directly. Okay, now 2 how much, 2 2s are 4, so 2 into what, 145. Okay, plus what, 4 1s are 4, so 31 into 1. Okay, now what, denominator 4, 125 4s are 145, 2s are 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 2 1s are 2, 290. 290 plus 3 1s are 31 1s are 31. 31 1s are what, 31. So 31 1 12 3 321 is what, 321 by 4. 321 by what, 321 by 4. Now what, 321 by 4. Now you divide this with 4, then you will get the what, mixed fraction. So 4 321. Okay, so it will be what? It will be 4, then 80, then hand 1. Okay, 4 8 are what? 32. +20 + 1. Okay, so 4 8 are what? 32, and 1 0, it is what? 320 + 1 321. Okay, now come to question number 4. So question number 4, what is there? So Ramon bought 6 1/2 kg of flour and Radha bought 15/4 kg of flour. How much flour did they buy all together? That means what? We need to add them. So right. The next question is what? Who bought more flour and by how much? Okay. So let us find first. Let us find the total. Okay, so right. Number 4, right. Given so right, weight of flour bought by Raman. Weight of flour bought by what? Raman, equals to how much? 6 1/2 kg. Okay, 6 1/2 kg. Weight of flour. Here you write of weight of flour, or directly write flour bought by Raman equals to what? 6 1/2 kg. Now what? Flour bought by Radha equals to what? 15/4 kg. 15 by what? 15/4 kg. How much flour did they buy all together? Right. Flour bought by them together, all together, flour bought by them all together, it will be what? The addition of these two. Okay, it will be here like this: 6 1/2 plus 15 by what? 4. So this is what? Number 1, 4a. So what? 6 2 = 12 and 1 13. 13/4 plus 15/4. It is what? 4. LCM I can take. Sorry, if you 15/2. 6 half and what? 6 whole half and 15/4. So what? 6 2 = 12 and 1 13. It is correct. 13 by what? 4. So if I take LCM, then 2 and 4 divisible. So I can write what? 4 is an LCM. Now 2 how much are? 2 2s are. So 2 into 13. Now plus 4 how much are? 4 1s are 4. So 1 into 15. Now what? 4 divided by 13 2s are 26 plus 15 1s are 15. So 26 and 15, 41. So it is what? It's coming what? 41 by 4. 41 by 4. Okay. Now what? How much flour did who bought more flour and by how much? Who bought more flour and by how much? Okay. So to check who bought more flour, we need to what? We need to subtract from, we need to make what? Both the fractions what? Equal. So right. So right. So this is what? 41 by 4. This is the answer of question number 4a. So you take this one in what? Mixed fraction. So it will be what? So take into mixed fraction, then 4 tens are 40. 4 tens are what? 40. Remain what? 1. So answer is what? 10 1 by 4. 10 whole 1 by 4 kg. 10 whole 1 by 4 whole kg. This is the what? Answer of the first. Okay. This is the what? Answer of the first. That is what? 4a. Now come to B. How much flour did they buy altogether? This one finished. Now B. Who bought more flour and by how much? Who bought more flour and by how much? That means what? Two fractions are there. So I shall make them what? Like fractions. So from like fractions what? I can understand what? Who bought more? Who is the greater one? And the greater fraction will be what? The greater flour. And from that if I subtract, then I shall get what? Who bought more. Okay. So right. So 4b. So 4b what? So right. Flour Ramon equals to what? Flour bought by Ramon how much? 6 1 by 2. 6 1 by 2 kg. So if I convert into that 13 by 2 kg. Okay. Then flour bought by Radha. Radha equals to what? 15 by 4 kg. Okay. Now write. Right, making them making the denominator equal, making the denominator equal. Okay, why I am making the denominator equal? Because I need to understand which one is bigger. So 13 by 2 and what? 13 by 2 and 15 by 4. So if I take 2 and LCM, 2 and 4 LCM, it will be what? 4. LCM will be what? 4. So what? Here what? 4, 4. Then 2 2s are 4. Then here will be 2. 13 2s are 26. Okay. And what? 4 1s are 4 1. 15 1s are what? 15. So 26 by 4 and 15 by 4. So obviously what? Which one is greater? Obviously what? This fraction 13 by 2. 13 by 2 means what? Roman. So right. Since 13 by 2 greater than what? Since 13 by 2 greater than 15 by 4. Then after that you come here. Therefore, Raman who bought more flour? Raman bought more flour. Raman bought what? more 4, then by how much? Then by how much? That is what you need to subtract. 26 minus 4, sorry, 26 by 4 minus 15 by what? 4. So if you subtract this one, then you get the answer. 4, then 26 minus 15 directly. Why? Because both the denominators are same, so I can directly subtract. So 4, here 6, 1, okay, and 2 minus 1 is 1, 11. So 11 by what? 4. So it is what? 11 by 4, okay. So if I take into mixed fraction, then it will be what? 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. 2, 3 by 4. So what? Roman bought more flour. Roman bought what? More flour by how much? So right, Roman bought more flour by how much? So there will be kg. In everyone there will be what? Kg. How much? Yes, it is what? 2, 3 by 4 kg. That is what? Answer. That is the what? Answer. Now come to question number 5. So question number 5, what is there? A reel had 2 3 by 4 of thread. How much thread was left in the reel after Ali used 8 1 by meter of thread? If he later used 7 3 by 8, more thread from the reel, how much thread was left? So what? How much thread was left? So what? This is exactly like question number 4. Okay. So let me show this one. So question number 5, you see. So in question number 5, what? Right. Number 5, given Ali had a reel. Ali had 23 by 4 meter. 23 by 4 meter. How much thread was used? How much thread was left in the reel after Ali used what? All right. So right, Ali used thread used by Ali goes to what? Thread used by Ali from the reel equals to what? How much he used? 8 1 by 2 meter. 8 1 by 2 meter. 8 1 by 2 meter. Now the question is asked that if how much thread was left in the reel. How much thread was left in the reel? Right. Thread left in the reel equals to what? 20 from total. If I subtract, this is the total, 20 minus 3 by 4 minus 8 1 by 2, then I shall get how much left. Okay, so 23 by 4. Okay, 23 by 4 minus 8 1 by 2 minus 8 1 by 23 by 4 8 1 by 2. Okay, now what? Now you convert into improper fraction. So 42 jar 4 2 jar 8 80 83 83 by 4 minus 8 2 jar 16 and 1 17 17 by 2. Okay, so if I take this one, then 2 and 4 LCM will be what? 4. So 83 into 1. Okay, and here 2 2s are 4, so 2 into 17. So here will be 83, here will be what? 17 to the 34 by 4. 34 by 4. Okay, then now come on this side. Okay, after that come on this side. Here what? 4. Okay, so 83 and 34. Subtract 13 minus 4. It is how much? 9. Okay, here remain what? 7. 7 minus 3. Okay, 49. So it is what? 49 by what? 49 by 4. So what? 49 by 4. So if I take into mixed fraction, then it will be what? 4. Okay, then 4 5 jar, 4 7 jar, 4 9 jar, so 4 12 are how much? 48. So 4 12 are 48, remain 149. So it is what? That meter what? Left. Now from this, so what? From this what? Again he has what? Used what? From this again he has used what? 7 3 by 8. Okay. If he later used 7 3 by 8 meter more thread from the reel, how much thread was left? That is what? From this again what? He used what? 7 3 by 8 meter more. So how much left in the reel? So right, since he so 1400 for this portion we need. So right, since he used more thread, since he used 7 3 by 8 meter more from the reel, right, therefore amount of thread remain in the rail will be what? Remain what? 49. So 49 by 4. Why I am taking this one? I need this fraction. Okay, or you write, okay, remain what? 12 1 by 4 minus 7 3 by 8. As I said, whatever remain from this, again you had used more 7 by 3 meter. Okay, so if I break this fraction, so I'll get this one 49 by 4, as I said earlier. Okay, now minus, so 7 8 are 56, 56 plus 3, it is what? 59. What? By 8. Okay, now take their LCM, 4 and 8. So 4 can divide 8, so LCM will be what? 8 bigger. Now 4, how much? 4 2 are 8. So what? 2 into 49. Okay, minus 8 1 are 8. So 1 into 59. Okay, so 8 now. Now 49 into 2. 49 into 2. 9 2 are 18. 4 2 are 8. And 1 9. 98 minus what? 59 are 59. Now what? 59 subtract. So 18 minus 9 9. Okay, here remain what? 8 minus 5 3. Okay, so what? 39 by 8. 39 by 8 portion what? Remain. Now 39 by 8. Now this 39 by 8 you what? You just take into what? Mixed fraction. So 4 8s are what? 32. 4 8s are what? 32. Remain what? If I take then 4 8s are 32. Then 7 it will be what? 39. So remainder will remain 7. So you write 7 as a what? Numerator. So this is what? Meter. Okay. So now come to question number 6. A family buys 3 2 by 5 meters, 3 1 by 3 1 by 3 meters and 2 5 by 8 meters of cloth for 3 dresses. How much cloth did the family buy in all? So it is very easy. So you can do this one. That means what? The addition you have to do. You add all these fractions, then this fraction will be the what? Answer. Okay. So if the cloth came from a 20-meter roll of cloth, what length of cloth was left in the roll? It is exact like question number 5. So you can practice. Okay. So question number 6, 1 I am leaving as a homework. Okay. So come to question number 7. So question number 6, it is very easy. As like it is question number 5, this one you practice at your home. Just you have to add. Okay. So what? Number 7. So you see, so question number 1, 6a, you need to add all the fractions, and b what? If the cloth came from what? 20-meter roll of cloth, that means what? The cloth was came from what? 20-meter roll. So what length of the cloth was left in the roll? That means what? After adding all the cloths, you subtract from what? 20, you will get the answer. So this one you practice at your home. Only addition and subtraction. So it is like question number 5. Okay. So come to 7. Mr. Sheth filled what? 10 liters of petrol in her car on Monday. That means what? On Monday what? He filled 10 liters petrol, and that day her car used 3 1 by liters of petrol. Okay. That means what? On that day what? On Monday what? He again what? Used 3 1 by 3 liters of petrol. That is what? From 10 liters what? He used 3 1 by 3 liters of petrol. And on Tuesday it used 4 1 by 2 liters of petrol. That is what? From 10 liters he used what? On Monday he used what? 3 1 by 3 liters. And on Tuesday what? He used 4 1 by 2 liters. Now the question is that, asks that, how much petrol did the car use on these 2 days? That means what? On Tuesday and on Monday how much petrol was used. That means what? The petrol used on Monday and Tuesday, we shall add that one, then we'll get what? Total petrol used on what? Monday and what? Tuesday. Now second question, out of the petrol bought on Monday, how much petrol was left at the end of Tuesday? Okay, that means what? That means what? Out of the petrol bought on Monday, how much petrol was left at the end of Tuesday? Okay, that means what? Up to Tuesday, how much petrol was left? So from 10 liters, if I subtract both fractions, then I'll what? Then I'll get the answer. Okay, so right. So question number 7, 1 you see. So right. All right. Petrol used by on total petrol filled by, right, given total petrol filled by say on Monday, how much? On Monday, how much used? Total petrol filled by Mr. Seth on Monday, how much? It is what? 10 liters. 10 liters. Okay. Now what? On that day, on Monday, he used petrol equals to what? How much? 1/3 liters. Okay. And on Tuesday, he used petrol equals to what? How much? 1/2 liters. On Tuesday, what? 4/2 liters. Then the first question is what? How much petrol did the car use on these 2 days? So number A, petrol used on Monday and Tuesday, petrol used on Monday and Tuesday, it will be how much? Monday and Tuesday, it will be what? 3/1/2 liter plus 4/1/2 liter. These are the liters. So if I add, then I'll get 3 2 6 and 1 7/2 plus how much? 4 2 8 and 1 9 9/2. If I add them, then 2 is the LCM, so I can add directly the numerators. 16/2. Okay. So how much petrol did the car use on these 2 days? Okay. So what? 3/1/3 So what? 3/1/2 plus 4/1/3. 3 1 by 3, sorry, 3 1 by 3, 3 1 by 3, 3 1 by 3 1 by 3 and 4 1 by 2, 4 1 by 2. So you just correct it. 3 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 2. So it will be like this. 3 3 are 9, 10 by 3 plus what? 4 2 are 8 and 1 9, 9 by 2. Okay, 9 by 2. So LCM will be what? 3 and 2 LCM will be 6, because what we cannot divide. Okay, so what? We'll multiply these two numbers. 3 2 are 6. So 3 how much? 3 2 are 6. So 2 into 10. Okay, plus 2 3 are 6. 3 into 9. Okay, so 6 by 10 2s are 20 plus 3 9s are 27. Now 20 27, it will be what? It will be 20 plus 20 40 47. So right here, after that you come here. Okay, it will be what? 47 by 6. So what? 47 by 6. So it is in what? Mixed fraction. I need to convert it into what? It is in what? Improper fraction. I need to convert it into what? Mixed fraction. So what? So if I convert, then 6 7s are 42. 42, then remain what? 5. 42 plus 5, it is what? 47. Okay. So 7 5 by 6 liters. Okay. 7 5 by 6 liters they used what? On that day. Now what? Out of the petrol bought on Monday, how much petrol was left at the end of Tuesday? So from the total, if I subtract this one, then I shall get answer. So you see, so what you see, the answer is what? 6 6 to 12, 2 1 by 6 liter. How much you see from total? Oh, so if I subtract the petrol used on Monday and Tuesday, then the remaining petrol will come. You see, like this, if I divide, then it will come. Okay, let us do now. So what? I need this value. This value I need. Okay, so leaving this, I shall erase all. So you write in your copy. So write, how much petrol was left at the end of Tuesday? So write. So write, petrol left B. Petrol left on the end of Tuesday. Tuesday. Petrol left on the what? Tuesday. So TUES due to Tuesday equals to what? 10 minus this one. 7 5 by 6. 7 5 by 6. It is what? 10 minus 47 by 6. It is what? If I take LCM, then 6. Okay. So if I take LCM, then what? 6. So if I take LCM, then 6. Then how much? If I divide with 1, then 1 6 are. So 6 into 10 minus 6 divided by 6, it is 1. 1 into 47. 47. It is what? 60 minus 47 by 6. It is what? 13 by 6. Okay, 13 by 6. So I can what? This one I can take into mixed fraction. 6 2 jar 12 and 1 remain 13. Okay, later. So this is the end of this chapter, that is chapter number 7. Okay, now let us start a new chapter, that is what? Chapter number 8, more on fractions. This chapter we have done what? About fractions. Now what? More about fractions. That means what? In this chapter we have done about only the addition and subtractions of the fractions. Now we'll be doing what? Multiplication, division of the fractions. Okay, between the fractions. So start chapter number 8, more on fractions. So what? 8, more on fractions. Number 8. Chapter number 8. Chapter 8, more on fractions. Chapter 8, more on fractions. More on fractions. More on fractions. Okay, so exercise 8a. So what you see, question number 1 is given what? Question number 1a, what is given? 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 equals to what? 7. So how many times 1 by 7 is there? 1 2 3 4 5. So it will be what? 5 by 7. So in this place it will be what? 5 by 7. So number be like this: 1 by 9, 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 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 by 9, 7 times. So it is given what? 7 times 1 by 9. So here will be 7. Okay, so these things are easy. Number 8, 8 times 1 by 11. That means what? 8 times 1 by 11. That means what? Here will be 8. Okay. Now what? Number D. What? 4 times 1 by 5. 4 times 1 by 5. That is what? 4 times 1 by 5. That is what? 4 times 1 by 5. Here will be what? 4. Okay. Now come to question number E. Question number E. 9 times 2 1 by 10. 9 times what? 2 1 by 10. 2 1 by 10. 9 times. Okay. That means what? 9 times. That means what? I need to multiply 9. Okay. So how fast you break this one? 9 times 21 by 10. Because just I what? Convert into fractions. Now what? 9 times. That means what? 9 times. That means what? 9 into 21 by 10. Okay. So it will be what? Answer will be what? So answer will be what? 9 1s are 9. Okay. 2 9s are 18. 189 by 10. So here will be 189 here by 10. That is the what? Answer. Okay. 189 by 10 is the answer. Now come to next question. Multiply. So how to multiply? You see, multiply what? One whole number with a fraction. Multiplying a what? Whole number with a what? Fraction. So how you see? 3 by 2 3 by 2 by 3. 3 is a whole and by 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a what? Fraction. So see. 3 by 2 by 3. 3 by 2 by 3. So see question number 2. So 2a you see what is there? 3 by 2 by 3. Okay, that means what? 3 by means multiply and 2 by 3. Okay, now what? You multiply this numerator, it will be what? 3 into 2 and denominator. So 3 into 2, here denominator is nothing is there, that is what? 1 is there. If nothing is there, then you understand that at least 1 is there. Okay, so 1 into 13. Okay, so but this one we do not write here, we can understand just okay. So now you check whether you can cancel numerator or denominator. That means what? Whether this fraction can be taken into lowest term by what? By cancelling the numerator and the denominator with any one. Numerator, but we cannot cancel numerator, denominator. Whenever a fraction should be taken in lowest form, that time what? How you can cancel? We can cancel only with numerator and the denominator. We cannot cancel with numerator. We cannot cancel with what? Denominator. Okay, we can cancel with what? Upper and the lower. That is what? Numerator and the denominator. Okay, so here what? 2 cannot cancel 1, 3 cannot cancel 13 also cannot cancel 3, 1 also cannot cancel 2. So what? Yes, this one can cancel, no problem. So if we cannot cancel, then just you write the product. That is what? Write the multiplication result. 3 2s are 6 and 13 1s are 13. So that is the answer. Okay. So now come to question number B. So question number B, what? 8 by 2 by 25. 8 by 2 by 25. So it is what? 8 by 2 by 25. It is 8 into 2 by 25. Now what? You multiply 8 into 2 and 1 into 25. So now let us see whether one can cancel or not. No. So just multiply directly. 16 by 25. 16 by what? 25. Now which question? Let me show question number D. Okay, one you practice. 18 by 5 by 24. 18 by 5 by 24. Okay, now that is what? 18 into 5 by 24. Now let us write 18 into 5 and 1 into 24. So what? So answer will be what? This one you say I can cancel with what? 3. 3 6 are 18 and 3 4 are 12. Sorry. 3 8 are 24. Okay. 3 8 are what? 24. Now again you can cancel with 2. 3 2 are 6 and 2 2 are 4. Okay. So it is what? 15 by 2. So 15 by 2 I can take into what? 15 by 2 I can take into what? I can take into what? Mixed fraction. So 2. So 2 6 are what? 12 and 2 7 are 14. Wait, what? Wait, let me do it. 18 5 by what is there? 18 5 by 24. Wait, 18 5 by 24. So again you see what is there? 18 5 by 18 into 5 by what? 24 into what? 1. So what? I can cancel again. Let me see. 9 2s are 18, 12 2s are 24. Okay, this one is you cancel with 3. Then what? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Now what? It is 15 by 4. Okay. Now what? Now if you do what, take into mixed fraction, then what, 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16, so remain 12 and had 3, so 3 3 by 4, 3 3 by 4 is the what answer. Okay, so now come to question number 3. So question number 3, what is there? Now what, one fraction with the whole, one fraction with the what, whole. Okay, so question number 3, you see what is there? Three by 2 by 13 by 6, so it is what, 2 by 13 into 6. Now multiply 2 into 6, and whenever here 1 is there, so you multiply this, 13 ones are 13, like this directly you can write. Okay, if other than 1, if any digits are there, then you write, then you need to show multiplication, but here 1, so no need to write direct, 13 ones are 13 you write. Understood? If other than 1 is there any number, then you need to multiply with the denominators. Okay, so now you see whether we can cancel or not. No, we cannot cancel. So 6 2s are 12, 12 by 13. It is in what? It is in proper fraction. Now come to B. B, what is there? 4 by 33, 4 by 33 by 11. So what it is? 4 by 33. So 4 by 33 into what? 11. Now cancel. 11 1s are 11, 11 3s are what? 33. Remain what? 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 I can write in mixed fraction like this. 3 1s are 3, remain what? 1. 1 whole 1 by 3, 1 whole 1 by 3. Okay, 1 whole 1 by 3. So what? Now come to question number. So see the question from D I am showing. Okay, D, what is there? 5 32 by 32. That is what? 5 by 32 into 32. Okay, so 32 32 same I can cancel. 32 1s are 32, 32 1s are 32. So remain what? 5 by 1, it is what? 5. 5 into 1, it is what? 5 by 1, it is what? 5. Okay, now come to 4. So come to question number 4. Question number 4, what is there? So question number 4, what? 5 into 3 by 11. Okay, so write 5 into 3 by 11. Here denominator 1, so directly multiply. So is there any chance of cancelling? No. So we'll multiply. 5 3s are 15 by 11. You multiply denominator, multiply numerator. Now it is in what? Improper fraction. Take into mixed fraction. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. So 11 1s are 11, remain what? 4. Okay. Now which one? Now come to big one, question number C. Okay, 24 into what? 9 by what? 84. Now cancel this one. You can cancel this one. 24 into 9 by what? 84. So I can cancel this 24 and this one. You see 12. Okay, 12 2s are 24, and this one if I cancel with 2, then 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Again I can cancel. 6 2s are 12, with 2 I am cancelling. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Okay, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 21 2s are. Okay, now this one I can cancel again with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Okay, remain what? Only 2 into 19 by 7 into 1. It is what? 18 by 7. 18 by what? 7. So if I take into mixed fraction, then it is what? So if I take into mixed fraction, then it will be what? So here you write 7, then 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, remain 4. 4 you write here. So that is the answer. Okay. Now come to D. D, what is there? 91 into 5 by 13. 91 into 5 by 13. So what? 91 into 5 by 13. Okay. 5 by 91 into 5 by 13. So 13 7 jar 91. So remain what? 7 into 5 by what? 1. So it is what? 35 by 1. It is what? 35. So 35 is the what? Required answer. Okay. Now come to question number 5. So question number 5, what is there? Now come to question number 5. So question number 5a, what is there? 8 by 15 into 10. So write 8 into 10 by 15. 1 directly I have multiplied. So if any other factors are there, then I need to multiply the denominators. So cancel this one, I can cancel. You see 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Then 8 2s are 16 by 3. Now take into what? Mixed fraction. 3 5s are 15, remain 1. So 5 whole 1 by 3. 5 whole 1 by 3. Now which one is big? Now let us come to C. C is a big fraction. Let me solve this one. 53 by 112 into 32. Okay. So this one you see 53 by 112 into what? 32. Okay. So you see how I can cancel. So with 2 I can cancel this one and this one. Okay. You see this one. 5 2s are 10, remain 1. You take there. If you take, then it will become 12. Then 6 2s are 12. This one 16 2s are 32. Again this one I can cancel with 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. This one I can cancel again with what? 8. 8 2s are 16. This one I can cancel with what? 2 17s are. Sorry, 2 19s are 2 1s are 2, remain. Sorry, 2 14s are 14 2s are what? 28. And this one what? I can cancel with what? 4 2s are. Okay. This one again I can cancel with what? 7 2s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Now what? This 2 and 7 I cannot divide. Now I need to multiply this one. So write here 53 into 2 by how much? Here remain only 7. Okay. So multiply. So if you multiply, you get the answer. So if you multiply, then you get. So what? 53 into 2, it is what? 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. 106. 10 what? 106. So what? If I take into mixed fraction, then it will become like this 7. Then what? 7 15s are 105 and remain what? 1. Okay. So this is the what? Required answer. This is the what? Required answer. Okay. So big one I have done. Okay. Now come to question number D. Question number D, what is there? Question number D. 5D, what is there? 10 by 21 into 105 into 5. So what? 10 by 21 into what? 105. So this one you see 10 by 21 into what? 105. So you can cancel this one with 3. 3 if I cancel, then 3 7s are 21. Okay, and here if I cancel with this one 3, then 3 3s are 9. Remain what? 1. 3 5s are 15. Now again I can cancel this one. 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. Now remain what? 10 into 5 by 1. That is what? 50 by 1. That is what? 50. So 50 is the what? Required answer. Okay. So 50 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number 6. So question number 6 what? 6a, let me show. 1 into 17 by 1 into 17 by 19. So one thing remember, whenever you will be multiplying with 1 anything, the result will come same. So like this you write 1 into 17 by 19 into 1. That means what here? Denominator 1. Okay. So 17 by 19 is the answer. So this is the what? Answer. Okay. Now come to B. Now come to what? B. 19 by 35 into what? 1. So again this one same. 19 by 19 into 1 and 35 into 1. Here nothing is there. That means what? 1 is there. Okay. So 19 ones are 19, 35 ones are 35. So this is the what? Answer. Okay. Now come to what? C. What is there? 21 by 100 into 0. We know what? 21 into 0 by 100. So it is what? 21 into 0, it is 0. 0 by 100 means what? Again 0. 0 by 100 means what? Again 0. That means what? If you multiply anything with 0, the result will come what? Again 0. Now come to D. D, what is there? 0 into 3 by 10. So it is again what? So it is again what? 0 into 3 and 10 into what? 1. Okay. Nothing is there. That means what? 1 is there. So 0 by 10, it is again what? 0 by 10, it is again what? 0. And that is the result. Okay. So today up to this. And if you find any problem regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.